12 millimeter. It's always 12 millimeter. I'm too hot for this. I'm sweating. This is all single cast. This is kind of wild, but we will see. Get your ass in there. Are you a good welder? Not really. What would be the best way to figure out if you're a good welder or a bad welder? By destroying something, by trying to fix it, by welding. Wow, really? Alright, so the gas blowing is going to set this off. This is annoying. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, to no, that will move it. Oh, this is annoying. Oh yes. This is gonna be good times right here. Oh, wait. Where are you going? Go back to where you're supposed to be. Show it. Get back in there. And now I can't see anything. Good times. That didn't work. Stop moving. What the stupid... This is going to be so aggravating. Nope. We'll be back trying to do this another way. Gentlemen, I might have burned something together. I don't know. I'm fairly certain. This thing's probably off kilter. Oh, it's off kilter. I burnt the bejesus out of it. It is off kilter like there is no tomorrow. But I have no idea how I'm gonna even clean this up, because I'm fairly certain, even if I tried to put the cable in at this point, probably won't hold. But we'll see what happens. We will, yeah, see that wonderful little, damn it, thing. See that little wonderful bump inside there? That's not supposed to be in there. And I was having enough problems getting it in there with it being the normal thing, so, stop. Yeah, there goes that bump again. Boom. But this is here, need to cut that off on the back end there. Actually, I do have one of them. Alright, wait. Damn it. See? I'm here talking. So, as I was saying, back, that little drop there, I need to get rid of that. And then I need to test. Oh, snap. I might have just jerry-rigged something. Jerry-rigging things 10,000. I'm almost certain that cutting this will not fit in here. But we'll see what happens. I'm trying to fix things. That happened. Let's see what this is. What's in the package? Oh, it's gooey. That's not good. Okay, that's the seat belt. These are the seat belt things. There's this seat belt things, hardware. Oh, man, get back in the bag. And when you get packages of anything, this is always the most important part, because this is the part you'll throw away the easiest. The hardware and the little minor details. I don't know what is going on. Alright. Thing comes in a whole bag. Okay. CAD creation boards. And I'm going to use this to create something too. Sliders and the rails. We can leave these in here. This shit is heavy as hell. Alright, gentlemen. We're both seeing this together. So, let me see how I'm gonna do this. Oh, this is atrocious. One side, next side. That'd be the best way to take this out. go. This is her. Red piping, which basically now means that I will forever have to keep this car red. So yeah. Done stitched. Seats. Everybody wants bolsters till you're sitting in them for a 10-hour drive. We'll see how that goes. Oh man. Where are we? And just like that, we need to make sure we go to the gym this summer to lose some weight so our fat asses can sit in here properly. But yeah, man, things are showing up, so I definitely need to get this thing up running, doing the shakedown, and seeing it at the minimum if we can start putting in the glass and stuff. I don't even know, but I ain't gonna draw this out. It's already too long. in the midst of all of that, heat wrap is burning, or burning off, or doing whatever it does. This is still here. I need to check on the condition of the oil adapter sandwich plate there, because there's always been some dripping from it. But the reason why the engine is revving so high, and I'm apologizing now for the thing. So this is what we've done. We did weld this back. We cut out a little thing, but when we put it back together and do all of that type of work, it ended up consistently holding this. No, I don't know if I'm showing you this right. Where is this? See, this is the problem. The throttle position is too high. Typically, before, where I had it where I wanted it to be, it was chilling at 3%, 2 to 3%, because it's basically you need to have a 2 or 3% gap in it so that it could it has air, because it's not a stock ECU and or whatever, but it's typically at 3%. Ever since I put it back together, it's at 9%, and I've been trying to fiddle with this screw and this screw to get it back down, and to make sure that I got this, because I wasn't paying attention. There's this screw at the top, which screw in and out sets the where the throttle is, and this one. So yeah, so basically you see what's going on. So this is here. I resolved a little situation here. Eventually I'm going to figure out what fluid I want to put into the power steering pump, which should make the turning of it crazy. But yeah, that's going on there. We're going to figure out how to bleed this and all of that. This is happening. Once again, that's there, but right now it's revving too high. So great supporter of the channel, somebody just sent me one of these, so we're gonna swap this out and see if that alleviates the problem, and if not, we're going to be readjusting it again. And then a bunch of other little things. There's a bunch of little things going on. And then after we kind of officially button up all the little ins and outs on the engine bay here, because basically this is now it. Need to sort out what's going on over here, bleed this, figure out where it is I'm putting the overflow bottle, because I never realized that would have been such a task. After which I can ignore this for a part, and then start figuring out how to button up the front. Hopefully you saw the headlights. I'll be changing out the headlights, running new wires for that. We're changing out this headlight on this side. Figure out what I do with the rest of it going forward. But yeah, man, it continues. We're continuing, and yeah, like anything else, we'll get to more work, more progress, slowly. Thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for always being supportive. I know we said all of that, but yeah, that's what's going on there.